Hola amigos, welcome back to Lorena's Kitchen. Here we go again. Cheers. Another easy recipe. Today we're gonna make mole enchiladas. Chicken mole enchiladas. So here are the ingredients. Of course you're gonna need tortillas. I have the tortillas right here. And like cup and a half of roasted chicken. I shredder. It's practically just the breast. You're gonna need 1 can of chicken broth, and we're gonna use a shortcut. I'm not gonna make the mole. I bought this one that is already made. It's very good. You can buy it in any store. It's very tasty. And I'm gonna use half of this cup right here. Also, you're gonna need a quarter of white onion, 1 garlic clove. We're gonna use also green onions, 2 green onions, chop it. And I'm gonna use manchego cheese. This is 1 cup of shredded manchego cheese. You can use any other type of cheese that you like. And we're also gonna need cilantro for garnish and salt to your taste. So we're gonna start the process. I'm gonna put the tortillas in the microwave because I like them to get soft for a little bit. So I'm gonna put them in the microwave for only 30 seconds. That's the first thing that I'm going to do. 30 seconds in the microwave. And after that, we're gonna start making the mole. So I need to get this, sorry guys, so I should have that next to me. So we're gonna make the mole. You're gonna add the chicken broth, almost the whole cup, maybe third of this. And then half of this glass of mole that is already made. You can make your own mole, I know how to do it, but this time I'm gonna use a shortcut. So it's gonna be so easy, and trust me guys, this is gonna be yummy, it's gonna be delicious. It's a little hard to take it out, but you're almost there. It smells so good. So, we take everything out of here. I'm gonna put this on the side. You're gonna add your onion, like I say, a quarter of a white onion, 1 garlic clove, and then salt to your taste, like I always say, to your taste. Okay, let's do this. We're gonna blend this together. Let's blend this until everything is done. And now we're gonna transfer this to this. Gonna add it to this pot. Gonna put it heat too high, so you just want this to boil real quick. I make it boil, and this is the mole, and then you can taste it to see if it needs more salt or whatever you think it needs. While this is boiling, I'm gonna start cutting the cilantro, so let it boil for a little bit, and we'll come back to the stove. But in the meantime, I'm gonna cut the cilantro that we're going to use for garnish. I'm not gonna, the bottom skin of this, I'm gonna cut it off. So practically you're just gonna need the leaf. So you cut this, and this is gonna be for garnish. You can also put it inside the enchiladas. This is so easy and it's tasty. And like I said, you can make your own mole. Today, I just decided to do this shortcut because I tried it before and that mole tastes so good. It's gonna be so easy. And you can also use any type of cheese you guys like. Sometimes I make it with queso fresco, they come up so good too, but I like the manchego cheese, it's so delicious. So okay, let's take the tortillas out of there. You just want the tortillas to get soft. So this is soft already. And let's see how this is going right now. So like I said, we want it to get boiled. As soon as it gets boiled, you can turn it off. You just want it to get mix it together. Yeah, you see? And you see it's boiling right now. So this is ready. So we're ready to go. Okay, let's transfer this to the pile over here. I'm gonna move this over here so I have time to start making this. Like I said, this is so easy. So move this over here. Oh my goodness, a little messy. So I'm gonna wear gloves because it can be messy. So let's start doing this. Like I said, it's easy. And like I always say, it's gonna be delicious. Trust me. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna have the tortillas. And what you do is you're gonna pass the tortillas to your mole. I'm gonna put it over here. Then we're gonna add the chicken. Put the chicken in the middle. The cheese, some cheese also in the middle. And then you're gonna fold this and you're gonna make your enchiladas. So let's do another one. Let's pass it again for the mole. Put this beauty over here. Chicken, same thing. Chicken and cheese. And you can do it, you know, like with beef if you want. Also shrimp, vegetables. Some people do it with vegetables and it's pretty good too. So let's make another one. One more. And let's put this right here. Then you're gonna add your chicken. And this I use, like I say, roasted chicken. I just use the breast, but you can use any part of the chicken that you prefer. So we're gonna put this here. And then we're gonna fold this. Yeah, I think we're gonna make one more, so we can fill the whole tray. See, it's messy. That's why I'm wearing the gloves. Okay, let's put more chicken. I'm probably gonna make more later because I noticed that I'm gonna have a little bit more chicken leftovers. So and there you go. You have your enchiladas. So then what you do, we're gonna put a little bit more on top of the mole. More mole on top. A little bit more mole on top. It looks messy, but it's delicious. Okay, and we're gonna put more cheese on top. Yes. So this is ready. We're gonna cover this with some foil paper. And we're gonna put this in the oven for like until the cheese is melted. When the cheese is melted, these are ready to go. Let's transfer this over here. It will take probably like 10 minutes until your cheese is melted, but I have some ready over here in the oven, so let's pull them up. And let me put these things. Yes. And look at this. Look at that, how amazing that looks. So these are ready. I'm gonna make some stuff to the side so we can try this. Yes, 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 I'm excited. It's a little messy, so let's put everything on the side. Oops, sorry about the mess. I will clean after everything, but let's put this on the side. And I'm gonna start this with salad. I like to do it with salad. Some fresh salad. I'm just gonna add a little bit of lemon or any type of dressing that you guys like. And also, we're gonna garnish this with the cilantro. With the cilantro on top. And a little bit of the green onions on top. And then if you want to add more, when you serve yourself, you can add a little more. Alright guys, so let's try this. Oh yes. Ooh, 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 look at that. It smells so good too. So let's give it a try. Grab my utensils. It is hot, but let's try it. Smells so good. It's hot. Wow. So hot, it's so good. You can also add jalapenos or any type of spice, chili that you like when you mix in the sauce. But it's so good and so easy, and I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Chicken mole enchiladas. Well, cheers, have a great day, and I'll see you guys soon. Cheers for life. Be safe.